Hello my delicious co-creators, Lilu here in Thailand. I wanted to wish you an amazing Christmas and end of the year. I hope you're enjoying fully everything, that you're being so grateful for everything that happened in 2015, because I feel that 2016 is going to be huge, it's going to be amazing, it's going to be transformational. I know we have worked a lot on ourselves, and I think it's time to harvest all that, because it's going to happen so beautifully, so powerfully. I know that a lot of you feel it, I feel it. As I said, I'm here in Thailand. I'm off to the Tao Garden to do a special course on Tantra and Taoism from the 6th to the 15th of January with Mantak Chia and other experts. I'm so looking forward to it. Maybe you have planned to go there. If so, then I'll see you then, and I'm going to do some cool interviews anyway for the ones of you that can't be there. And I send you lots and lots of kisses. I wish you an amazing year coming up, 2016, and there's the 100-day challenge, of course. That's a great time to start one at the beginning of the year. I send you lots of love from beautiful Koh Samui. Bye bye, much love, bye.